In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section, which is Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, and this time tap on Fonts available here. When you're ready, operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and check out Preview at the top. So when I do that, and go back, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!